Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Globally Mag. In today's video, we are going to learn how to take screenshot using Microsoft Edge. Yes, this is in continuation to our previous video which we did earlier on Globally Mag, where we showed you how to take screenshot on laptop or PC with Windows built-in print screen tool. How we can take screenshot of any of our screen using Microsoft Edge. So before we continue, if this is the first time that you have come to our channel, then do subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you can get notification of all the videos that we made. So let's get started. So here I have opened Microsoft Edge and I am going to open a website. So let's open UGWire and the website is open, and as you can see that we can easily scroll in between pages and there's lots of images and text showing on our screen. So if you want to take screenshot of your screen, what options does Microsoft Edge provide you? So if you go to these three icons and click them, here you will find the option of web capture, and if you click that, then you will be provided with two options, either to capture area or capture full page. So we will talk about them one by one. So firstly, let's start with capture area. So so I will go back again to the option. I will click the web capture and I'm going to this time click capture area, and here you can see that the cursor icon has changed. As you can see the plus sign. Now in front of me is my entire screen, and if I want to take the screenshot of any of its part, that I can easily do. So what I need to do is just drag the area which I want to take the screenshot, and that's it. As you can see, when I have released the cursor, it has provided me two options: either it is going to capture or copy the selected area, or if I want to add some markup on my selected image, I can click the markup capture. So firstly I will click markup capture. As you can see that a new window has opened, and now my selected screenshot is here present, and here I can highlight any area or mark any area that I want to share with my friends or fellow colleagues. And in draw I will be provided with different colors option that I can show my mark of. So let's get moving with yellow color, and here as you can see that if I'm going to mark any area, the yellow highlight will come, and this is the easy way how you can easily take a screenshot and then mark the area that you want. So if you are done with your screenshot, all you need to do is just hit the save button and your image will be saved. So let's just open the image and see what it has been saved. Here you can see that my image has been saved and I have marked the area with yellow color marker, and this is how easy it is to take the screenshot and mark the area with Microsoft Edge. So this was the first option that we are provided with, web capture area. So let's move to the next option that Microsoft Edge provides you. Again we are going to go back to the option, and here we are going to click web capture, and from here instead of capture area we are going to capture the full page. So now what it has done, it has taken the screenshot of the entire page, entire web browser. So we can easily scroll down here and we can see that we have taken the image of the entire web browser. Whatever was showing on the page, it has taken the screenshot of the entire page. This is how easy it is. So now again we are provided with same option. If we want to highlight any area, mark any area, we can easily do so, and we can mark any area, and afterwards we just need to hit the save button and our image will be saved. If you want to see your image, all you need to do is just open up, and here you can see that the entire screen was taken a screenshot, and area was marked as well. This is how easy it is to use these two options using Microsoft Edge. So there's another thing that you should all be aware of, and that is very simple. So when we are using the web capture area, instead of like saving it entirely, and instead of like pasting in its own option, all you need to do is just like save the area. You can copy this, and then you can easily use any other tool that you want to and paste your image onto that tool, and you can do different sort of things with it. So I'm going to paste it in Paint. So I had copied the area and I've opened the Paint, and here I'm going to paste what I have taken the screenshot, and as you can see that the image has been pasted in Paint. Here I have been provided with multiple options, as Paint gives you enough options to choose what you need to do. I can easily drag and drop the image, and here I can choose among different like shapes that I need to do. I can enter the text where I want to. Similarly, so Paint provides you enough features to move around with your screenshot. So as you can see that Microsoft Edge Pro gives you enough option to choose, and you can easily take screenshot of whatever work you are doing, and you can easily share with your friends. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot, and I hope now you can easily take the screenshot of your screen or of your web browser, of any area of your web browser, using Microsoft Edge. So in the last, again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to our channel, like the video, share your feedback, and share it with others. So in case if you want to learn more about how to take screenshot, you can easily go back to our channel and watch the video that we have previously uploaded, how to take screenshot on laptop with Windows, and you will find some awesome features, Windows built-in features that you can choose and select and can easily take screenshot. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care.